Hi friends, welcome to Simplifying Maths. In today's class, we are going to see the unit digit of the number 8 for base 8. In last class, we have seen the number 7. In this particular video, we are going to see for 8. The method we did for 7 is similar for 8, but the numbers are the values that we have remember that will be differing. So again I have to write this in the form of 8 power 4 into k plus 1, 8 power 4 into k plus 2, 8 power 4 into k plus 3 and 8 power 4 into k plus 4. So we have to remember that 8 power 1 is 8, 8 power 2 is 64, 8 power 3 is 512, 8 power 4 is 4096. In this units place are 8, 4, 2, 6 because 8, 4, 2, 6 these four numbers are ones place. If the remainder is 1, then we should consider it as 8 power 1. Then I will get 8 as same value because 8 power 1 is 8. 8 power 2, because if the remainder is 2, we should consider it as 8 power 2. Then the units place will be 4. Because we are only considering units place, then the 64 will not come. Only 4 will come because we are only considering units place. Here 8 power 4 into k plus 3. If it is 3, then it will be 8 power 3. Then the units place will be 2. Because we are only considering units place, then it will be 2 only. The whole 5 and 2 will not come. If it is the remainder is 4, then it will be 8 power 4. Then the number units place will be 6 because we are only considering units place. The whole 4096 will not come. With these 4 values that we have to remember, we are going to solve the problems. These 4 values, if we remember, we will solve the problems on this. Here we have kept 2 problems solving. So the first problem is 8 power 342. This one we should write in the form of 8 power 4 into k plus I am taking the remainder as r because we didn't divide this with 4 yet. So now let me divide this with 4. 4 into 3 power 342. So 8 times 32, then I'll get 2 as remainder. 2, 85, then I'll divide it with 2. Yeah, I have got the remainder 2. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder and this is the k, because in this exponent we have learned that quotient is k and the remainder is small r. So we have also learned that 8 power 4 into k plus 1 is 8. 8 power 4 into k plus 2 is 4. 8 power 4 into k plus 3 is 2. I am only writing units place here. 8 power 4 into k plus 4 is 6. So here are the 4 numbers that we have remembered. So here they have got the remainder as 2. So I have to write this 808 power 342 in the form of 4 into k plus r. So it will be 8 power 4 into k is 85. I have multiplied. When I multiply 4 into 85 and add 2, I will get 342. I should get 342. So here the remainder is 2. Then we should consider it as 8 power 2. If it is 8 power 2, then the units place will be 4. So there is another problem. For the clear explanation, I will explain. So the problem is 8 power 1729. This one should be written in the form of 8 power 4 into k plus the remainder. For that I have to divide this number with 1729 with 4. So 4 4s 16. I will get 1 2 3 12 0 9 2 8 1. Yeah. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. This 4 divisor is dividing this particular dividend, and we have got here the quotient and I have got here the remainder. So we also know the values that if it is 8 power 1, then the units place is, if the remainder is 1, then the units place is 8. If the remainder is 2, then the units place is 4. If remainder is 3, then units place is 2. If remainder is 4, then the units place is 6. We know these 4 values. So let me write this exponent, this particular number in this form, this particular exponent in this form. So 8 power 1729 is written in the form of 4 into k plus r. That will be 4 into 432 plus r is 1. Then I will get, here remainder is 1. So we should consider it as 8 power 1. If it is 8 power 1, then it 8 itself. So we have written here 8. So units place is 8. Okay. That's it for today. In next class, we are going to see for the base 9. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.